Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi Q5 Edition 1 Sportback S Tronic, finished in the modern Mythos Black paintwork. This brand new model comes with a diesel engine with 201 horsepower, quattro 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking matrix LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 21-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q5 badging, in addition to stylish quattro badging at the rear, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with front and rear parking cameras that make up a 360-degree view of your vehicle for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 515-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses the multifunctional flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a passenger touchscreen display, along with a large central touch display, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats that are also electrically adjustable. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different headlight displays and animations, in addition to customizing the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort, off-roading, or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing and 360-degree camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. From the same screen, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. Moving across, the passenger touchscreen display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for added assistance. The passenger can also connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from this screen. This is all alongside the central console that features a wireless charging pad with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.